How to add flight details to TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add flight details to your TripIt account. And how do you do so? It's very simple. The first step is for you to log in into your TripIt application, just like I've done here. And so once you're on this page, ensure that you're on the trips page automatically, because sometimes you could be on the alerts page, you could be on the on file page, you could be on your account page. Ensure you're on the trips page. And so the next step would be for you to choose the trip you want to add the flight to. By choosing the trip, you'll be brought to the trips page. On this page, select add plans and then select flights as the plan that you would like to add. And so go ahead and add details about the flight. It could be, first of all, the airline. So go ahead and enter in the airline of the flight. And so after entering the airline of the flight, entering the flight number, entering the confirmation number that you received after you booked the flight, then click on add flight. And then by clicking on add flight, at the top right corner, you'll see the save icon. Click on it, and just like that, your flight details would be added to your TripIt Air account. It is that easy to go ahead and add your flight details to that trip today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.